steel gray Prestige badge on the quarter panel, GMC just rewrote the brief.
There is one engineering decision inside this build, factory level, that no other American full-size luxury SUV delivers at this price point. I will show you exactly what it is before this video ends. But first, the price question. Whether the Denali Prestige is worth it depends entirely on how you use this vehicle. Raw cargo priority changes the math completely. Executive daily driver needing 4-year value retention and a strong trade-in position? That is a completely different conversation. This video covers exterior design, interior specification, the powertrain case, and the engineering origin story behind this build. One thing up front, this brief did not start in a standard GMC product planning cycle. Stay with me on this. Everyone locks on to that full-width mesh grille, the red GMC badge, the angular framing. That is not the most important decision here. The critical element is the wheel package. Dark machined multi-spoke alloys, estimated 22 inches, paired with low-profile rubber that lowers unsprung center of gravity versus the standard Denali's taller sidewall. Escalade Sport runs comparable wheels, but only optioned, not standard. Speculative tech number 1, predictive load path suspension. Via front lidar, the system reads road surface 200 meters ahead and pre-tensions adaptive dampers before the wheel arrives. Reactive suspension always arrives 40 to 80 milliseconds late. This eliminates that window. What it closes is the comfort gap between a 22-inch performance setup and a 20-inch luxury ride. Step inside. Interior reveals what GMC was proving. Full perforated midnight leather, not just the bolsters, the entire seat surface, with deep diamond quilting edge to edge. That specification sits closer to a Mercedes Maybach GLS than anything in the Escalade Platinum base. Center console, real wood veneer with raised chrome GMC Denali lettering, the primary surface you right-hand contacts while driving. Correct call for this mission. Lincoln Navigator uses piano black at this price, which shows fingerprints within minutes. Speculative tech number 2, biometric climate zoning. Infrared sensors in each seat adjust HVAC output per zone by detected skin temperature, not manual input. Cabin preference varies 4 to 6 degrees between passengers, even with identical stated settings. What it eliminates is the persistent one person is always cold problem in 3-row SUVs. Missed the mark. The digital instrument cluster reads competent, not distinctive. That blue ambient ecosystem through door panels and footwells deserved a matching treatment on the cluster face. Cadillac's Super Cruise integration signals luxury intent at a glance. This display does not. The exterior is where the reason for this interior becomes clear. This brief did not begin with Build the Best Yukon. It began with Lincoln Navigator's 2022 facelift outselling the Yukon Denali in the $85,000 plus segment for 3 consecutive quarters. The brief was not close the feature gap. It was establish a distinct product tier that Navigator cannot follow without abandoning its own identity. That competitive intent is written into every exterior decision you are about to see. Front bumper. Sculpted aero geometry with angular intake openings. Functional airflow direction, not decoration. Vertical LED DRL strips at each corner establish the light signature at distance. Fender line. Clean body width, no flares, no added kit. The width is structural. Wheels. Dark machined multi-spoke, estimated 22 inches, low-profile tire pairing, visual mass without excessive ride height. Roofline. Black gloss treatment with integrated rear spoiler, reducing lift. Rear. Full-width LED taillights connecting both quarters, GMC badge centered on tailgate. Structured lower diffuser with tool horizontal accent strips. Every surface decision here is load path, nothing added visually that does not also serve an aerodynamic or structural purpose. Powertrain. Engine, 6.2-liter V8. 420 horsepower, 460 pound-feet of torque, 10-speed automatic transmission, 4-wheel drive standard,
Variable cylinder management at cruise drops to 4 active cylinders. Real-world fuel economy of 19 to 21 mpg is genuinely achievable at this vehicle weight. Speculative tech number 3. Rear torque vectoring AWD. The system distributes torque between individual rear wheels, not just front to rear, at 40 millisecond response time. Lincoln Navigator's AWD carries no rear vectoring. Under corner load, it understeers before the driver recognizes the intervention. What it eliminates is the unconscious correction every driver currently makes on a sweeping on-ramp. Against Navigator at comparable configuration, stronger exterior graphic language, more coherent interior material hierarchy. Where Navigator narrows the gap, acoustic isolation. The 2027 Navigator's glass package produces a measurably quieter highway environment. Engineering case complete. Financial case next.
Now, here's what I actually think. Completely straightforward. That 2022 Navigator brief explains every decision here. The Prestige badge is not cosmetic. The 22-inch wheels are not a styling call. Every spec decision traces to one directive. Force Lincoln to copy it and confuse their buyer, or ignore it and surrender the segment. Whether GMC succeeded depends on what you value at $88,000. Expect the 2027 Yukon Denali Prestige to open between $86,000 and $91,000 fully configured. Lincoln Navigator Reserve 2 runs $84,000 to $89,000 and delivers quieter acoustics and marginally more third-row volume. Standard Yukon Denali opens at $72,000. The $14,000 to $19,000 Prestige Premium delivers the wheel specification, full diamond leather, Prestige exterior badging, and the elevated wood console treatment. For buyers planning a 4 to 5 year hold, factory-differentiated Denali Prestige trims have historically retained 52 to 56% of MSRP at the 48-month mark, compared to 44 to 48% for aftermarket equivalent Denali builds. The Denali nameplate carries floor value in the used market. The Prestige tier adds the ceiling. If you need a 3-row executive daily driver that signals seriousness without European branding, this is the correct vehicle. If acoustic isolation at 75 miles per hour is your primary quality metric, Navigator delivers more of that, measurably. What the Denali Prestige earns its premium through is not the V8 displacement or the peak horsepower number. It is package coherence, every decision in this build tracing directly to one competitive brief. That Prestige badge on the steel gray quarter panel is not a trim designation. It is a GMC's answer to a 2022 sales report. If you have put serious miles on a Lincoln Navigator Reserve or Escalade Sport, I genuinely value your read. $88,000 for the Yukon Denali Prestige or $86,000 for Navigator Reserve 2 with acoustic glass. Next, the 2027 Cadillac Escalade V against this Prestige. Same platform, entirely different mandate. Subscribe so you do not miss it.